Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to block emails on Outlook. Are you tired of spam, scammers, or unwanted messages cluttering your Outlook inbox? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block emails on Outlook. The first thing I'd like you to do is to sign into your Outlook web app. Sign in with your Microsoft email and password. From your inbox, go ahead and click on the unwanted email. Let's say, for example, this is my inbox and I have this unwanted email that is here. Okay, here, let's say I have this unwanted email. So make sure it's the one from the sender that you want to block. Now, with the email open, just click on the three vertical lines or the three vertical dots. That's the more options menu in the top right of the message pane. And from the drop down, you're going to find the block option. Now, do you know what you can't find the block option here? It's because this is an ad. It's not a direct message. But if you get a direct message, then you find the block option. And once you click on block, a confirmation pop-up will appear like, are you sure you want to block the sender and move all their messages to junk? Just click OK or block to confirm. The messages immediately move to your junk email folder, and future emails from this sender will be automatically sent there. You can also block addresses manually even without opening an email. How do you do that? Just head over to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, and from here, just head over to email, and once you click on email, you're going to see junk email from this list. Click on junk email, and once you come over here, head over to senders and click on block senders and domain. And once you do that, click on add blocked senders, and inside here enter the email address or domain of the sender that you want to block and hit save. You've now blocked the sender permanently. I'd like you to know what happens when you block someone. It means messages from the blocked sender are redirected to your junk folder. The sender is now notified that they've been blocked, and you can unblock them anytime from your settings. And just that's it. You can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.